Hi, today we want to introduce our app iHealth to you. We can find that the patient and the doctors are our two main customers. Based on our survey, we can find the patient usually make appointment with doctors by the phone, but it's very inconvenient. Our goal is to solve this problem. Let's see the bottleneck of current situation. Based on the phone, it means that one patient can only communicate with one doctor at the same time. So it means if one patient wants to get all the information about the doctors, he needs to make many calls. But our solution is create a website. The doctors can put their information and available time on our website, and the patient can view this information and choose these favorite doctors and make a decision just like you buy something on the Amazon. Let's say one main use case. If you want to make appointment, firstly, you go to our home page. You can search your daughter's name or choose by category, and you will redirect to our daughter list page. You can see there are many choices that you can choose, and you can filter by some condition. If you choose one and click the item, you will go to the daughter information page. You can see the daughter's basic information, their rating, their available time, and their location. If you want to make appointment, you just click this button and all things have been done. This is our roadmap. We have three main themes. Firstly, we want more doctors involved in our system, and we want to improve the user's experience. And also, it's not very often that you need to make appointment with doctors. Maybe you just have twice a year. So maybe the users will forget our app. So we want to create some features that about the health and the users can use almost every day. So we will also focus on the health status tracking system. So in the quarter one, we will launch our two main features. First is the appointment system, and another is the health tracking system. And in the quarter two, we improve the user experience on our appointment system, and we also want to launch a doctor registration system. If this system launch, it means that the doctors can register just by themselves. It means that we will get more doctors involved in our platform and the patient will have more choice. In the quarter three, we just improve the user experience in all of our system. And in the quarter four, we analytics the user data and understand the user behavior and what they need to make our product better and better.
These are the main features that we will provide. The first is sign up and login, and also we allow users to search doctors and make appointments through our app. We also provide a feature that user can record health information and a dashboard for display all those information and smart analysis for the information. Also, we will provide a doctor portal so the doctor can register it and have a system to manage their schedule. We also provide feature that user can review and rating doctor, and we allow users to store their health report and transfer report from one provider to another. And we will give user a smart booking system so they can get recommendation on that. They can send message to doctor and get replied. And we also provide a premium membership sign up and a smart chatting bot so the user can describe their symptoms and they will direct it to a specialist. So for the first launch, we will provide those 6 features will allow user to sign up and log in, search doctors, make appointments, record health information, and doctor can register it, and user can store their health report. These are the key metrics we will check for our launch. The first is core user action. So we will checking the visit frequency and the active time for user. And we also want to check engagement and conversion. So we will check how many users sign up for the premium memberships and what are those most used features. And we also cares about the app growth. So we will keep checking on new user sign up and new doctor sign up.
Thank you, Amber, for that. Now we will talk about operational needs. So for operational needs, we will hire a customer service personnel. The customer service personnel will be responsible to facilitate the user problems via customer support through email, chat, and calls. Secondly, we will also hire a data analyst. The data analyst will be required to collect data from the user bookings and analyze it to provide better and faster optimized results to the users. Thirdly, we'll hire a digital marketing and growth manager who will be ready to develop media planning and execution across multiple paid social and display channels like Facebook, Google, Twitter, etc. Now we will talk about projected costs. So we found out that in the year 2016-17, the total number of active physicians in California were 49,782. And also on research by the Health Grid Analytics, we found that 70% of doctors would opt for online scheduling of applications. So by that, we set up a fee of $1,500 for the doctors and 16.69 monthly dollars for the platinum membership of patients. By this, the total annual income would be 6.5 million. In the cost section, we saw that we will need 3 software developers, 2 software testers, and 3 marketing and development professionals, which will cost us about 1.12 million for a year. We also saw that storage cost annually at Amazon Web Services will be $75,000. The PayPal subscription cost would be $60,000, and including other variable costs would be $1.5 million. So the total annual costing would be $3.4 million. So by the calculation, we found that every year we will gain a profit of 3.1 million. The next part is addressing the caveats or risks. So on research, we found out that there were 4 main risks that we would face. The first one is the privacy concerns. So we had hosted a solution to this. The first was minimizing data collection and retention. Second is securing the data we keep. Third is posting a private policy. And fourth, will give a consumer the choice to share the data or not. The second part is access and downtime concerns. In this, we will choose a solid host to host our website. We will take a private hosting plan. We will use CDNs, and we will keep our application up to date. Third is competitors. To mitigate this risk, we will partner with other key players in the online doctor appointments booking market. Through various strategic partnerships, iHealth will work to insulate their position and make increased barriers to entry for competitors. Introducing new features and customer interactive methodologies will help us maintain our customer base strong. The fourth part will be legal concern. We want to make sure we are not violating any laws regarding the storing and usage of private personal data submitted to our application portal. Partnering up with legal consultancies that helps with tax, copyright, protecting our trademark, and privacy policies will help mitigate legal concerns for us and our customers. Thank you.